Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from OKX Wallet to the Metamask wallet. Alright, so your first step would be to open up the OKX platform and log on to their Web3 wallet. So click on the Web3 wallet at the top of the screen. Once you're on the Web3 wallet, simply scroll through and click on the USDT. So this would help you take note of how much USDT you have. And at the top of the screen, we have the network toggle, which is a horizontal scroll where you simply scroll to the network you wish to send. We're going to be sending our USDT on the BNB Smart Chain, so make sure you have BNB Smart Chain to cover your wallet address. If you do not, simply buy and deposit on your OKX Web3 wallet. Alright guys, so once you've added the BNB Smart Chain and you're ready to send, click on the send icon and you're asked to provide a receiving address. You can get this receiving address from your Metamask platform by simply clicking on Metamask and opening it up. Once Metamask has opened up, network toggle at the top of the screen, click on this toggle and simply search for the BNB Smart Chain. That's the network we're looking for. Click on the BNB Smart Chain. Simply locate the Tether USD. If you can't find it, click on Import Tokens and simply search for USDT. Click on the Tether USD, click on Next, click on Import, and you'd have successfully imported the USDT token to your wallet. Once you've imported the USDT, click on the USDT token, scroll to the bottom, click on Receive. Once you've clicked on Receive, copy the address, head back to the OKX wallet, paste the address you just copied, click on Confirm. Now, in order to send from your OKX wallet to this wallet, simply enter an amount of USDT you wish to send, and then simply click on Next, and your USDT tokens would be sent from your wallet. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.